Hi everyone and welcome to a new video tutorial. Today I'm really excited because I will be using a brand new die collection, and in this collection you will get a beautiful weaving plate. You will get scalloped flowers and wheat sprigs. Now, if you watched my previous videos, you probably would have seen how I put weaving strips from the weaving plate together. So we have a beautiful weaved elements on the actual blank card. Okay, so that's really super effective in my opinion. And of course today we will start with creating floral arrangement using different options from the flowers, okay, that you're getting. So as you know, we get two sizes in 3 different shapes. So in total, you're actually getting 6 flowers. So you've got this option and obviously this one. And then we get these 2 beautiful sort of spiral-like, very ornate centers. Now these could be used individually or as the actual center stamens for your flowers if you wanted to. But these 3 elements within one flower are detached. So that enables you to really make your flowers super interesting. Obviously, you probably watched my other video on actually how I put the flowers together. But as you can see, we can actually not only die cut the scalloped flower on its own, just like this one, right? But if you die cut the solid flower, you also get, right? So that's really nice, interesting. You get this effect, as you can see, right? And at the same time, if you swapped this one for this one, you get this effect flower. Right, so many options. And of course, every flower that we're going to make using these different options will give us different effect, which is something amazing. Right, so that is just a quick recap on the flowers. Let's move on to our actual weaving base card. As you can see, I glued some, well, the vertical strips to the horizontal strips, so we now have nice solid base. And now on with regards to the sides, we can actually start trimming it in a straight sort of line. Okay, so let's trim this side a little bit. As you can see, I didn't go close to the edge. I left myself some sort of strip sticking out, which is something interesting. And now we can do the same with this side. Okay, and that is my base card. Now, if you wanted to go obviously in straight line, of course, as you know, you can. And now I have straight edge to my base card. So now let's put some of our flowers together. I know that I will be using 3 colors on this card. I will use this beautiful yellow from my textured cardstock, and it's absolutely stunning. As you can see on this one, this is one of the versions that I've die cut, and we can obviously pop this together. Now, as you can see, on this one, these 2, we have the sort of middle part, which is sort of empty. So I really could do with a little base, tiny little element, and this is where the waist of my strips will actually be perfect for that. So that's better, isn't it? And now I'm just going to squeeze the middles of my scallops. There you go. One flower almost ready to go. And at this point, I'm going to use one scalloped and one non-scalloped flower, die cut in the Blissful Rose cardstock. So this is what my flower looks like. And now I'm going to add this beautiful, delicate stamen inside of my flower. So I want to do a collection, an arrangement where I have 3 flowers in different colors. So we're going to tackle another flower now, which obviously we have a frame from the scalloped. And then not only we have the second flower from that set, but also the second flower is die cut with a very, very delicate stamen inside as well. So just like on my first flower, I don't have the center, but obviously I need to bring a little waist big enough to join my sort of 2 flowers, 2 ends together. There you go. And that's my other flower. So we've got these beautiful flowers here. And what I'm going to do next is to bring this lovely stamen inside of this blue flower as well. So let's pop this beautiful navy bead inside. And that's my beautiful flower. Stunning. Right, so this one is ready. Okay, so I have 3 beautiful flowers now. And now we're just going to start bringing everything together. So a little bit of our natural fiber. And I'm just going to go for one of the longer wheat sprig. Right. Now my yellow flower. And now my beautiful pink flower. And now my sprigs. Because I want my arrangement to go and have a nice flowy effect. Obviously this one, the larger wheat sprig, is going down just this way and is going with the flow, and the smaller, shorter one, I'm just going to pop it to the side there. I also have these 2 lovely birch sprigs, and as this card is appearing to look very spring-like, I'm just going to pop 1 or 2 twigs literally underneath of my yellow flower. And I will add this lovely just for you tag, and this tag will be going off my sprig as well. So before I actually add this tag into the mix, I will mount it onto my blue piece of card. And with this lovely twine, I'm just going to create a little pattern, literally just like so. So every loop will be slightly smaller. And as I already seeing obviously how far my twine can go, obviously I need to secure the end in one place. Okay, so this little loop is secured already. I know that I will add a few leaves from another set of leaves, and of course I can snip out my leaves as and when I need, and I'm just gonna use one or two of these to add in a couple of places. All right, so I've got my leaves, and now let's secure these two loops. And I think I'm just going to pop one more leaf in here. And what I'm going to do next is place some of my pearl, beautiful pearl gems just above this area here. My little message, hello, is just for you. There you go, and my creation is done with beautiful, absolutely stunning looking weaving effect on my blank card. I'm absolutely loving it. I hope you are agreeing with me. It looks really super interesting. Now we've got our wheat sprigs and of course the scalloped flowers with few other dyes as well. Now, if you enjoyed this video tutorial, please like, share, subscribe, and I hope you can check out all other videos, if you haven't seen them yet, related to this brand new collection. And I will see you very soon with some more content. Thank you for stopping by. Bye-bye for now. Take care.